It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, external memory control, power tilting steering column, sport suspension, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,